COVID, I think it's getting bad in Ottawa again. I think most of Ontario. All right, I can go show the cat. Until I'll do something special to commemorate him, but not that I recall, but I didn't really do anything special to commemorate her either. Show the smoke detector. The smoke detector is wired into the ceiling. I literally can't get the battery compartment open. Okay? I have tried. Okay, so where are the cats? Where are these losers? I heard one. Oh, hey Casey. Ugh. I have ASD and I'm terrified of driving. Got my license out of necessity, but still horrible anxiety. Yeah. Oh, gee, Flop? Really? Is that all I have to do? Wow, I never thought of that. It's not that fucking easy. The way it's wired into the wall means that I can't get the fucking battery compartment open. I have fucking said that so many times. Take out the battery. I can't get to the battery. Like, you people aren't listening to me. Like, you're genuinely not listening to me. I cannot get into the battery compartment. It is not as simple as just twist it off. I have done that. It's wired into the ceiling. The smoke detector is wired into the ceiling. And where it's wired into the ceiling, like where the wires go into the smoke detector, it is blocked. Like, it blocks the battery compartment. Who the hell is Sam? Yeah, I mean, we'll give them another try, but we'll give maintenance another try, but yeah. Okay, so I have no idea where Sam is. Third, I can't get the fucking battery compartment open. Listen to what I say. I cannot get the battery compartment open. Where it is, the way it is set up, the way it is wired, the compartment is inaccessible. It is fucking inaccessible. So telling me to just change the battery, I literally fucking can't. I have tried. I have tried. Like, you think I haven't actually tried? I have tried. There actually is a battery compartment there. But, like I said, it's blocked off. I can't get it. Jesus Christ, just fucking listen to me when I talk. When I say something. Fuck off. Change the goddamn topic.
Fucking hell.